Welcome to 6411 Portuguese Bend in Missouri City. Come on in and I'll give you a tour. We're gonna start our tour downstairs where you find formal dining, family room, the study, the kitchen and the breakfast room. The family room has a fireplace and lots of windows. The kitchen has white cabinets, a granite island, and the countertops are with slate and new backsplash. From the family room and kitchen you have the formal dining with a patio door out to the terrace. And this is the breakfast area of the kitchen and family room. Imagine sitting here in the morning for lunch or dinner and looking at this beautiful outside backyard with pool and palm trees. Now come on inside and check out the second floor. We have 4 bedrooms upstairs, and back here in the front of the house you have a study. Study, or you can do a formal living room. Welcome to the second floor. You have a great size game room, and on each side you have 2 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1, good size bedroom with a walk-in closet. Here's bedroom number 2, also with a great size walk-in closet. In between the bedrooms you find a full bathroom with updated countertops, backsplash and glass shower door. On the opposite side is bedroom number 3 and the master. Bedroom 3 has a good size and sliding doors for the closet. And now I want to show you the master suite. It has cathedral ceilings, 1 huge walk-in closet, 2 closets with sliding doors. And you can go from the closet to the balcony. From the master, we have the door to the balcony. You can enjoy this beautiful view. You put some chairs up here and enjoy morning coffee. Beautiful high cathedral ceiling in the master bedroom. The master bathroom has updated marble flooring, extended shower and slate countertops. Nice shower with pebble flooring. Great on your feet if you take a shower in the morning. Next to it is a jacuzzi bathtub.